Good morning students. Again we will study chapter 12 time part 4. In previous class we also discussed about the convert, how to addition of time, how to subtraction of time. Today we will study convert 12 hours into 24 hours time. You know the 12 hours time. Already we used 12 hours time, then now we convert 12 hours into 24 hours time. There we make it two columns. First 12 hours time, then here 24 hours. Hours into 24 hours. Convert 12 hours into 24 hours. You know AM and PM? AM and PM. Midnight after, that is midnight means 12 o'clock in night. Midnight after AM start and before 12 noon, day of the 12 o'clock at noon AM. But between midnight and noon the time is AM. Then afternoon, then before midnight, PM. Afternoon, the PM will start and before the midnight. Now we convert 12 hours time into 24 hours time. First we listen 7:30 AM. First we study 7:30 AM. Here AM given, we convert, this is in 12 hours, then we convert in 24 hours. We don't write AM and PM. We don't write AM and PM. Then here we write, here also 0 put, then 7:30 hours. Understand you? 7:30 hours. Then 9:15 AM. 9:15 AM. How to write here in 24 hours time? We write 9:15 hours. Again 6:40 AM. 6:40 AM. How to write? 0, 6, then 40 hours. We writing together. Next you look here 5:20 PM. I change this, AM change, then PM. Then 12 hours time, the PM is come. You add 12 hours. How many hours you add? 12 hours you add. Then 12 hours, 5 hour 20 minute this. Then how to write? 12 plus 5? 17, 20 hours. In PM come in 12 hours time, we add 12 hours, that is 12 plus 12, 24 hours. Okay. Then 8:30 p.m. How to write to you? 8:30 p.m. You add here which word come? PM come. Which word come? PM. Then you add 12 hours. Then 8 plus 12, 20, 20, then 30, then hours. Understand you? Again 9:45 p.m. 9:45 p.m. How many hours you added? Then here PM come, you added 12 hours. Then answer is 12 plus 9. 21. 21. Here 45 hours. Then you understand how to convert 12 hours into 24 hours. Understand you? Then one more question. 11 a.m. There is no minute here. You have to write to you 11, then hours. 11 hours. Then 11:15 p.m. Here AM come, here PM come. How to? You add 12 hours. Then you write this number 12 plus 23, 15 hours. 15 hours. You understand how to convert 12 hours into 24 hours. Next, convert 24 hours into 12 hours. Just opposite this. Here 24 hours, here 12 hours. Okay. Here 24 hours time, here 12 hours time. You 11:40 hour. Then above the 12 hours, that is we add included in 12 hours, above 12 hours, that is saying come in 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 hours come. This means 12 hours already included here. Understand you? 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. These hours come in 24 hours. This means already included in 12 hours in time. Okay. Now we write here. Here our question 11:40 hours. Then we write this in 12 hours time 11:40 a.m. How to write 11:40 a.m. Then 23:40 hours. This come 23:40 hours. You subtract more than 12. That you subtract 12. 12 minus here. Then here 1:40, then 1, what is then PM, right. Then that is you write here 23.23 minus 12. 1, then you write this minute also you write. What is our answer? 11:40 PM. This is AM, this is PM. Here write here 23:40 hours. Then we subtract minus 12. Our answer is 11:40 PM. Now 6:35 hours. How to write this? We minus here? No. We write 6:35 AM or PM? AM. Then 18:20 hours. This is more than 12. Therefore, we minus 12. 18 minus 12, you get 6. You write 6:20 PM, AM, PM. Understand you? Again, 19:15 hours. More than 12, you subtract minus 12. Then 7:15 PM. Then next 10:30 hours. How to write you? 10:30 AM. Understand you? How to convert 24 hours into 12 hours? Again, here 24 hours time, here 12 hours time. Here 20:55 hours. Here 20:55 hours. We subtract here minus 12. We subtract here minus 12. We write 8:55 PM. 8:55 PM. Then how to subtract 20:55? Here 12, then 0. Then here we write 7:15 PM. 7:15 PM. Here blank. How to write here? PM come. We add this number with 12. 12 hours you add. Now our answer is 19:15 hours. Understand? 19:15 hours. You understand? We add, we convert. Again, we convert 12 hour into 24 hour. AM is we don't add 12. Then PM come, we add 12 hours in the 12 hours. Okay? Or then we convert 24 hours into 12 hours time. More than 12, we subtract 12 from the respective time, that is the PM. The 12 hours is the PM. Understand, you convert 24 hours into 12 hours and 12 hours into 24 hours. Now, how to convert? In previous class we also discussed 3 hours 40 minutes into minute. Convert 3 hours 40 minutes into minute. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, we have how many hours? 3 hours 40 minutes is equal to 60 multiply 3 plus 40. Then first we multiply 6 3 ja 18 plus 40 is equal to 220 minutes. Understand you? This is you already learned about how to convert a minute into hour, hour into minute, or minute into second, second into minute. These are already we discussed about in previous class. Today we will discuss 24 hours and convert 24 hours into 12 hours, then 12 hours into 24 hours. Thank you.